Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to make the text appear and disappear on TikTok. So let's go to the watching, and first and foremost we have to open the TikTok app. Right now, as you can see, we are on our profile page, but then we need to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start new TikTok creation. It will be the example TikTok, so let's tap on the red central button to start new video shooting, and later let's press on the check mark option to save this TikTok. After, to add some new text, let's press on the text option, which is located at the bottom panel of the screen, and let's write some text, something like "Hello, friends." Okay, so we have added our new text, and later, so how to manage its duration and how to make this text appear and disappear. Let's hold on this text for a minute and check and choose the second option from the list, the set duration option. So right now we can smoothly manage the duration of the added text by dragging the red lines to the right or left side. So in this way, when we drag the first line, I will choose the start option, the start point of our text, when this text has to be enabled on our video. And the second line is the end of our added text, so I will stop it here. The white line can help us to check the result, and the play button too. So let's click on this K to check the whole video. As you can see, the white line will show us where we are, and as you can see, and at the first step we don't have this text, and later when we are on the red section, the text is enabled. Later it disappeared. Yes. So later, to save all of these changes, let's tap on the check mark, which is located at the bottom of the screen. And let's tap on the next option to save our video after adding this TikTok draft section, or post it to our profile page. I will choose the first option, and right now my newly created TikTok is saved to the drafts. So guys, right now I hope that you understand how to manage the duration of the added text, and you can smoothly correct this option. So don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and of course on TikTok. Bye bye!